Oh, okay, different kind of cheese. Okay, here you go. Here.
You just want both?
Yeah. Okay, here he goes.
He likes cheddar better.
Yeah. Well, he picked it up. He got it. He ate it. And the other one went. Okay, he'll find it, won't he? Okay, where's the other one at? Here you go. Come get it. There you go. Come and get it.
You don't want to get that close to you.
Yeah, he's coming. There
Yeah.
you go. There you go. Look at him.
Picked it up with a crab walk.
Uh-huh.
Lobster.
Yeah. He's walking. He went back and got the other one. Got any more?
I can't believe they ate cheese.
I know. Look at him. He's strutting up through there.
He's had enough.
Okay.
All right.